Welcome back. In this video, we are going to take a look into SEO content template within SEMrush. This tool will help you to create actionable SEO friendly content action article brief which will help you on your content writing or article creating process. So this tool can be accessed from several places. The common one is under on page you can find SEO content template, and you just enter a keyword and select your target country with the device you want to focus and click on create content template. Okay, you can see I have already tried to create a content template to save time purposes. I can use this and show you. So you just enter a keyword here, select a domain with the country and the device you want to target and click on create content template. Once you create a content template, you will receive something like this. For example, I ran a content template for particular keyword of how to start a website web hosting business. This is the keyword and it's saying me that our analysis based on your top 10 Google rivals. So when you click on it, it will show that these are the URLs we took, and from these URLs we are preparing this content brief. So you can either use SEO recommendation to create the content yourself, or you can order the content writing or export this data to a doc which you can give it to an article writer like a freelance article writer, and they can write covering this fact, or you can export this information to the SEO writing assistant tool within SEMrush and you can use that particular one. For example, that is available under content marketing. SEO writing assistant is available for you. Here you can see the top 10 ranking results for this particular keyword, and based on that keyword data, it will show key recommendations based on the top 10 rivals. Like these are the semantically related LSI keywords which I should focus on when creating the content. It will give me the listing. Like backlinks, like if I want to rank for this keyword, I ideally want to try to get backlinks from these domains because majority of the domain I have, or these are very powerful in this particular section. So it giving me that data. Readability on based on the top 10 URLs, it is around 55. So I also want to make sure to match that. Text length, like based on the top ranking website, around 1400 words content should be minimum. So I'm getting that. Now I can see how my competitors are using this particular keyword on various sections of their website, from the title, URL, permalink, and within the content itself. And you can see show more 104 occurrences are there. So when I click on any of that, it will show all the different occurrence within my competitor. You can see, and it's going into seeing that one of whatever the keywords I have used, it's showing me how the competitors are using that. So it gives me list by list on the top 10 and gives the basic recommendation also, like what I should have a basic recommendation for the page title, what should I use, how my meta description is not that useful to me, but if you are a complete beginner, maybe this is something useful, but it's giving you a basic recommendation here. So that is SEO recommendation. And when you click on real-time content check, it basically what it will do is transfer this data set into your SEO writing assistant, and from there you can use it. You can see it's automatically transferred that content keyword. You can see automatically used, made a target keyword, added a recommended keyword, basically transfer those data, and you can create a content here and automatically try to create a content which automatically fixes the issues mentioned here. So that is what this particular tool does it to you, not SEO writing assistant. SEO content template does it for you.